Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to today's video. Well, it's morning here. So I wanted to do this tutorial for you guys. It's very spring appropriate. Of course, I added glitter, but feel free to add glitter or don't add glitter. It's up to you. But I wanted to do something spring. You know, I was thinking spring in my mind, so this is what I came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below. And as always, if you guys aren't a part of my family, make sure to subscribe before you guys head out. I love you guys, and let's get talking through this video.
So you guys, to begin the tutorial, we're going to go in with our base. We're going to be using this Estee Lauder Double Wear Matte Moisturizer. You guys, have you guys tried this stuff? Because I've been using it now for about 2 weeks and this stuff is amazing. If you guys have oily skin, definitely check this out, especially for the summertime. I'm so excited to see how it holds up. For our actual foundation, we're going to go in with the Collab Makeup Foundation, and you guys know my thoughts. I've been loving this. So this here is a contouring stick from Avon. This is their transforming stick. You guys, they sent me a PR kit, and I was like getting like all nostalgic about it because my mom used to shop from them. Do you guys remember when they used to have their bubble wash? Like, it was my favorite thing from the catalog, and I would beg my mom to buy this stuff for me, and their lip gloss or lip chapstick or whatever, lip balm or whatever. Oh my gosh, you guys. Anyways, I kind of miss those catalogs, not gonna lie. Anywho, we're gonna just set the rest of our face with a little bit of translucent powder. I finally got my Airspun. I made a purchase on Amazon. Took me forever, but I got it back. And then to prep the eyes, we're gonna go in with the Luscious Cosmetics eyeshadow base. You guys know my thoughts on this also. I love this. I feel like more people should talk about Luscious Cosmetics, especially this eye base. For the eyes today, we're going to go in with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, which is her first palette, and we're going to be taking that light mauve shade. Then we're going to go in with this deep cranberry shade. I'm going to be honest right now, you guys. I was totally winging this look. I had no idea what I was doing. I was just like, I know I got to film today, so let's get something done. And it's been a while since I've used this palette, so I decided why not. Plus, not only that, my fingernail broke. So I was like, it's the perfect time to use this palette because it's the only time I can use this palette. So as you guys can see, I am just going to carve out the eyes with a little bit of concealer, and then I'm going to go in with that yellow shadow, which you guys will see next. This part is obviously optional, but I did add a little bit of glitter. This is the Miskos palette from Amazon that I picked up, and I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out, but I love this palette. I did have to use a glitter base beforehand just to make sure that it didn't fall underneath the eyes, but I just love glitter. So we're just going to smoke out the lower lash line. You guys can definitely do a winged liner, but sometimes I think wing liners will like overtake and overpower the actual eye look. So that's why I didn't want to do a winged liner. So I'm just going to smudge out the lower lash line with a chocolate brown, and then I'm going to pop on some lashes, and that's all. There it is. And then we're going to start off with the face. So now the eyes are done. We're just going to move into the skin, and we're going to be bronzing it up with a little bit of a bronzer from The Balm. This is one of their new bronzers. And then to deepen up the contour and chisel out them cheeks, we're going to go in with a little bit of Anastasia Beverly Hills. For cheeks, we're going to use this Dandelion blush. This is from Benefit, you guys. I've never used this blush. This was the first time I've used it, and I was really impressed by how much I really liked this blush. It's just really soft and easy on the cheeks. So we're just going to carve everything out, and then for highlight, we're going to start off with the Benefit What's Up, and we're just going to put that on the high points of our cheek, and then to intensify it even further, we're going to go in with the Master Chrome Highlight by Maybelline. For lips, we're just going to go in with these two lip shades. It's really pink and fun and girly look. So that there is the look. Let me know your guys' thoughts. I felt very spring appropriate when I did this look. So anyways, I love you guys. Make sure to subscribe down below if you guys haven't by now. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.